Hi, welcome to Maths Nipuna, your maths buddy.
Okay, look at question number 1. Eric has 4 bricks. A has 4 bricks. Which of these cubes shown below can he make with his 4 bricks? That means he have 4 bricks. 1 is white color, 3 is gray color. From these 4 bricks, which one of the following design he can make? Okay, just using these 4 bricks. So to solve this question, what we do first, you look at number of gray bricks and also number of white bricks. So if we count here, we have gray 3, and then we have white bricks only 1. Right, 4 bricks, 1 white, 4 gray. So now you look at answer A, B, C, D. Which one got 3 gray and 1 white? The first one, you see here we got 1 brick, gray color. Here got brick gray color, and then here got 1 white, 1 white. That means this one is 2 gray bricks and 2 white bricks. So A cannot be because we have 3 1. When we look at the number 2, also same. We have 2 bricks in gray color and 2 bricks in white color. Okay, sorry, this is D. D also cannot. Now look at B. B also same. We have 2 gray, 2 white. Just write down somewhere. Say 2 gray, 2 white. That means C also or B also is not answer. Look at C. C we have 3 gray. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 grays, and then we have 1 white. So there's a possibility. Yes, C is the correct answer. So we have 3 gray, 1 white. So we have 3 gray, 1 white. Okay, we wait. Let's check the last one, E. So E also we have 2 gray, 2 white. So 2 gray, 2 white, we reject. Okay, that means A, B, D, E cannot. So the answer is the only possible is C. Okay, so the answer for the question 1 is C. Okay, question number 2. Okay, we have fishes like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fish. Okay, the fish is moving in the either this direction, okay, right to left or left to right. Okay, the question is how many fish they have their heads pointing towards the ring. The ring is here. That means the head must be from here. Okay, the head must be is towards the ring. So head must be like this. Okay, so we just see, okay, this one like the first fish, we see here. When you move from here up to here, okay, this fish, the head is towards the ring. Correct. The head towards the ring. Okay, that means the number 1, it is a possible answer. I make it small. This one, okay, correct. And then we go some more. Okay, we go here. We are coming from the ring. Go from the ring. Okay, the head is towards the ring. Okay, this one, the head is opposite the ring. If the towards the ring must be, it must goes in this way. Then only we can say it's towards the ring. But this fish is in opposite direction. This is towards the ring. That means the next number 2 is the second fish cannot be because it is opposite direction. You go some more, go some more. Okay, you can meet the head. That means if you can meet the head, it is correct. Okay, you go some more. This one, you meet the tail. When you meet the tail, you cross it, cannot. And then you go some more, also you meet the tail. When you meet the tail, it's wrong. Then go some more. Okay, this fish, okay, we are heading we are, the head is towards the ring. Go some more, this is okay, we meet head. That means this is correct. Then we go some more, okay, this is also correct because we meet S. And then this one, we see the tail. When we see the tail, we say this is wrong. Okay, sorry, this one wrong. This now. And then it goes some more, until the last phase is we meet the head, it is heading the ring. This is heading the ring. So now we have how many correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the answer is 6. Only 6 fishes are heading towards the ring. Okay, question number 3. when you put the 4 puzzle pieces together correctly. I think you all normally got played these puzzle games, right? Normally we just connect to make it one picture. But here we have a puzzle, we connect it to make one equation. Okay. So they form a rectangle with the calculation on it. That means the final answer must be a rectangle. They say they will form a rectangle. When you connect all this, it will form a rectangle. What is the result of the calculation? Okay, for this question, first we look at this plus. So this one I put aside. Okay, because this one got on circle like this. This one is a cut it off. This one two sides are cut it off. Okay, now let's see if I put plus here. Okay, I have a 2 because this one must go to your left opening. Either can be 3 or 2 here. 2 can be here, right? Or 3 also can be here. Okay, so one can go here, one can go here. This one you have to try to imagine how this works. Okay, if I put 3 here, for example, if I put 3 here, what will happen? Where should I put my 2? So I cannot put 2 anywhere, right? 2 cannot put here, cannot put here. So there is 3 is not coming here. So you take it out. Let's say I put 2 here. Okay, if I put 2 here, my 3 I can, so the left is now 1 and 3. So 1 cannot goes here. So must be 3. And then the last one is a 1. So finally I got a rectangle. So that means the sum of 13 plus 2. Here got 13. 1, 3 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. So answer is B. Okay. Okay, now look at question number 4. Alaya draws a picture of sun. Okay, this is the picture she draws. Okay, which of the following answer is part of the picture? So we just cut it off, a part of the picture. Which one could be the part of the picture? It is a correct answer, which is a part of picture. So when you look at this one, we just analyze first. Okay, so we have a sun like this. Okay, this is, let's say, a sun. So what are the stripes we have? We have a dark gray. Okay, the longest one. Okay, dark gray. Let's say I put DG. And then we have gray. Let's say I put G. Okay. And then we have, G. I put G. And then I got white color. This is white. This is gray. This is dark gray. Okay, now you analyze this one by one. So let's say I take the first one. I have dark gray, white, white. Correct. White, white. Okay, is it anywhere I got dark gray, white, white? Okay, if I start here, dark gray, white, gray. So cannot. Whereas I got dark gray, this one dark gray, DG. But this one gray, so this is also cannot. So anywhere else, I can get 2 dark gray and 2 white. So there is no possible. There is no answer where I have 2 dark gray and 2 whites. Okay, now go to the second one. Second one, I have dark gray, white, and dark gray. Okay, we see dark gray, white, dark gray. Okay, we say, let's say this one, dark gray, white, cannot. This one dark gray, white, dark gray. Okay, this one maybe there's a possible. This is the correct answer because we have dark gray, white, gray. So maybe this is a possibility. We just check the other 3 as well. Okay, see number 3 is gray, dark gray, and white. Okay, dark gray, and white. Okay, gray, dark gray. Okay, correct. But this is dark gray, so this one cannot. If we start this gray, correct, dark gray, correct, but this is white, so this is cannot. Whereas we start with gray, the gray, dark gray, also cannot. This one, gray, white. Also cannot. That means this is not a possible answer also. Okay, so we test the number 4, D. D is dark gray, white, dark gray, correct? So is it anywhere we got dark gray, white, dark gray? This one dark gray, white, gray, cannot. So dark gray, white, gray, so cannot. So dark gray, white, also cannot. So there is no answer, no, not possible. This one also not possible. The last one, test also the last one, see also whether it's correct or not. So white, dark gray, white. I got double white. White, gray, dark gray. So cannot. You want double white, okay, double white, dark gray. So this one double white, gray. So this is also not a possible answer. So the correct answer is B. Normally, when you got answer B, okay, you can stop here and then you go to, no need to test the others. But sometimes we test all because sometimes we can make a mistake. You can come back here, check back whether we make a mistake or not. But normally, if you're confident, this is correct, and then you don't need to test the others. You can go to the second question. You can save time. Okay. Okay, look at question number 5. 5 boys competed in a shooting challenge. Ricky scored the most point. I mean the most point, the highest point is scored by Ricky. We just underline it. Okay, which target was Ricky? Just this question, you just need to sum the numbers which we have a dot like this one. We have a 10. Okay, circle 9, we don't have anything. We have 8, okay, 10 plus 8 plus 7. Okay, so now we do this question. Okay, the first question is, first answer is, we have 10, we don't have 9, we have 8, we have 7. So 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 10 is 25. Question B, we have 10 also. We don't have 9, there is nothing inside the 9, nothing inside the 8, and we have 7, 2 sevens. Okay, 14 plus 10 is 24. Question 3, we have 10, don't have, 9 also we don't have, but we got 8 plus 8. Oh, 3 plus 3 8 we got. Okay, 24. D, D, we don't have 10, we don't have 9, we got 8, we got 7, we got 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 8 is 22. And then the last one, we don't have 10, but we have 9 2 times. Then 2 dots inside the 9, and then 1 dot inside the 8. Okay, so 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 8 is 26. Now look at this one, A, B, C, D. Which one is highest? So to sure the highest is E. Okay, 26. So the richest one is E. He scored the most points. Okay, question number 6. Dennis fires a silver and gold rocket. Okay, just underline first. We have 2 rockets. One is silver and one is gold color. At the same time, the rocket exploded into 20 stars. Okay, just underline 20 stars. The gold rocket exploded 6 more stars than the silver rocket. That means gold is equal to silver plus 6. Okay, that is another statement. So I just okay, I give a color. Okay, the gold rocket exploded into 6 more stars than silver. Okay, now we see how we do this question. Okay, now let's say we have 2 rockets. Okay, one is gold. Okay, I name it as gold. So I have gold, and I have, okay, I put here gold, and I have let's say silver, 2 rockets. Okay, so total number of stars are 20. Okay, we know that total number of stars are 20 total. Okay, but The statement said the gold rocket exploded into 6 more than silver. Okay, that means gold must be plus 6. Okay, so then when gold is plus 6, so what you do, first you give 6 to your gold. Okay, so let's say I already give 6 here. Okay, then what is the balance? I already give 6 here. So what is the balance? 20 minus 6. Okay, which is equal to 14. So now we have 14. 6 already belongs to gold. Okay, because gold rocket exploded 6 more stars than silver. Now this 14, what we do, we divide by 2. Half we give to gold and the balance we give to silver. So 14, if I want to give half here, so this one will receive 7, right? Okay, then this one will receive 7. Okay, now you see, so gold got 6 plus 7, 13, silver got 7. So this is how you have to do. Okay, so now the question is, how many stars did the gold rocket explode? So gold rocket total 6 plus 3 is 13. So the answer is D. Okay, in this question 7, the measuring tape is wrapped around a cylinder. Okay, this is called cylinder. Okay, I think maybe you know this is cylinder. Okay, which number should be at the place shown in the question mark? This year, they ask you what is the number at this point. What is the number is here? Okay, before that, what we do in this question, maybe what you can do, you can count one by one. You maybe write down first. Okay, you see the first row, first line, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you can see 11. Right. Okay, that is the first bottom here. And then in this area, the second row, we can see it starts from 22. That means at the back, we have some other numbers which starts from 12, correct? It's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Okay, up to 21 only, because 22 we can see here already. So you don't put in this second row. This is actually second row, intermediate row. This is the first row, the second row at the back, this is the third row already. So it is a second row is up to 21 only up to here. So the third row start with 22. Right, this is 22. Can I write back 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Maybe you can write this one. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. End up at 32. This is 32, actually 32. We cannot see probably, but it is 32. Okay, now at the back, it will start back. Now it is finished at 32 here. So this back line, okay, that means fourth row, start 32. Oh, sorry, 33. Okay, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So you have to 40. You cannot go to the next line. It must stop here because the second row stops at 21. There is no more number here. Then this is also have to stop at 42. So when here we stop 42, the next year, this one, okay, this one, this number, okay, must start with 43. Okay, then 44, okay, that means this is 44, 45, 46, 47, and 48. Okay, 46, 47, 48. This is the this number is 48. So the answer is C. This is one method how to solve this one, but maybe it will take some time. Okay, but you want to make it easy, maybe you can just say this is 11. Okay, 22 minus 1. You can say you can another method. What you can do, you can check the difference between these two numbers. Okay, that means 22 minus 1 is equal to 20. Okay, sorry, 21. Sorry, 21. Okay, 22 minus 1 is 22, 21. And then this one should be 22 plus 21. The difference between these two lines must be same as difference between these two. Okay, 22 plus 21 is 43. This is another method. That means this number is 40. Okay, this number is 43. This start is 43 here. Okay, this one we start is 43. This 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. There are two methods. This is a fastest method. This is, if you cannot do this fastest method, you can do like this. Make a table, just write down all the numbers and you find the answer. Okay, so the answer for question 7 is C. Okay, question number 8. Rosanna have some balls of 3 different colors. What are the colors? We have a gray, we have a black, we have a white. Okay, only 3 different colors. Balls of the same color have the same weight. That means white must be equal to white. If this is 5, this must be 5. Gray and gray must be same. If this is 10, this must be 10. Just example. What is the weight of each white ball? So one white ball, it is how much? I mean, what is the weight of the one white ball? This is the question. Okay, look at deep into it. Okay, so we have like this. Okay, gray plus black is 6 kg. White gray is 14 kg. Black gray is 10 kg. Okay, so you want to find white. Okay, want to find. So we start from here. Okay, so this question is you are working from back. That means you are working from your answer. Okay, there's some other method which is we call algebra, but for your level it is too high. So that means for this kind of question you can work from back. That means you take the numbers here. Okay, let's say we assume. Let's say they ask us the white color is it. So let's say we assume if white is 3 kg, what will happen? Okay, I say my white color. Sorry, okay, my white color is 3 kg. Yeah. If this 3 is kg, this is must be big. Okay, put here. This one must be 3 kg. Same as it. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, this is 6. This is 14. That means the gray color is 14 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. Okay, 14 minus 6, which is 8. Okay, is it possible gray can be 8? If this is 8, this gray also become 8. But the total of gray and black is only 6. So that means this answer is not possible. I put here 3, 3, 8. So I have to put here 8. So it is not possible because it is only 6 kg. Okay, let's say now I try with 4. Let's say white is 4. B, answer B. If this is 4 plus 4 is 8. This must be 6. Okay, you can try and error. If this is 6, this must be 6. This gray is 6. Total is 6. Black becomes 0. That is also not possible. So the weight must be more than 1. Okay, so if I put 4 here, and then this becomes 6, and this becomes 6, and then black becomes 0. Also not possible. So the B also we reject. Now we try to see here. Let's say this is 5. This is 5. Okay, now you tell me if 14, this is 5, this is 5, balance is okay 4. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. This is 4, this must be 4. Okay, gray is 4. Black, the possible for the black is 2. Okay. Then if this is 2, this must be 2. And then this gray must be 4. And this gray must be 4. Is it acceptable? 4 plus 2 is 6. 5, 5, 4 is 14. 4, 4, 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, that means this answer is possible. Okay, you can stop here, or maybe you can try also the next one. Actually, this is 6. Okay, this is also 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. The gray must be 2. Okay, 6 plus 6 12 is 2. If this is 2, this must be 2. This is 2, the black must be 4. If black 4, this black also 4. This gray is 2, this gray is 2. So 4 plus 2 plus 2, 8. So, but here we have 10. That means this answer also wrong. Okay, we test with the last one. If this is 7 kg, this is 7 kg, 7 plus 7 is 14, this becomes 0. So as I told you earlier, the weight cannot be 0. It must be more than 0. So that means this answer also not possible. But normally when you got answer, you can stop, you can go to the next question because you're fighting with time. Right? Huh? So once you get answer, you can go to next. But if you want to try a test also, you can test the other two possible answers. Okay, that's all for question 8 is answer is C. Okay, now look at question number 9. Nisa has 3 different sort of cards in a game. Apple, so apple I give a green color. Cherry, I give a red color. And also grape, grape I give a purple color. So normally your paper, I don't think so they have a color, but I'll just give you two. That means you can easily understand it. She chooses 2 cards from the set of swipe and swipe their places. That means, let's say she choose these 2. Okay, that means she have to swipe like this. Okay, that means it become like this. Okay, this is what the question said. She just take 2 cards and she swipes their places. She wants to arrange the cards so that all the cards the same fruit on next to each other. That means apple means apple can be beside apple. Cherry means cherry can be beside cherry. So cannot be like this. One cherry is here, sorry, one grape is here, one grape is here, cannot. So it must be side by side. So for which set is not possible among this A, B, C, D. Okay. So we see the answers. Okay, first of all, this one, when let's say you want to take any card, let's say I choose what you can choose. Let's say I choose I want to change this and this. I want to swipe. Okay, when I swipe this and this, okay, this one becomes here. Right, this one becomes here. Okay, that means these 2 cards are changing their places. Let's say. So when I do this one, there is nothing happen. Still apple and apple is not side by side. So it's not possible. If I try to change this and this, is it possible? Imagine, apple and apple is okay, but grape and grape is out. Okay, we put this one on pending. Maybe I think this one cannot. Okay, we try the others. Let's say B. B, okay, I have apple, apple, apple. Let's say what I do, I try to take this one and put here and apple put here. That means it's a possible. That means this is can swipe, can do by swiping. When can do, that cannot be answer. Okay, they ask which one we cannot do. Okay, this is possible, that means not an answer. If this one can we put aside, which one we can change, we can put side by side. Okay, this one. Let's say you put grape here, apple here, that means you can put side by side. Okay, apple, apple, grape, grape, and cherry. So that means this is also cannot be our answer. Okay. D, is it can we do like this? Let's say I take this one and this one, I exchange. Yeah, correct. That means cherry, 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 grape, apple. That means this is also cannot be an answer. That means we can do. This one, which one I think we can swap? Maybe we can swap cherry and grape. Let's say I put grape here, cherry here. This one also is a possible. I do a side by side. So this is also cannot be answer. That means that is confirmed that the answer is A, which is I cannot swap. Okay, the question asked which one is not possible. So the question number 9, the answer is okay. Question number 10. Sophie wants to pick 5 different shapes from the boxes. Okay, we have 5 different shapes. We have a star, we have a circle, we have a pentagon. This one we call pentagon, 5 sides. We have a triangle, we have a square. Okay, all is inside here. Okay. Which shape must she pick from box 4? From box 4. Okay, the thing is what they said, she only can pick one shape. Sorry, this is shape. One shape from each box. She cannot take more than one shape. Okay, when it comes like this, what we do, you find which box has only one. Okay, shape. That means box 3. Box 3, we have only circle. That means in box 1, we have to take out the circle. Okay, that means if box 1 you already take out the circle, The other box, you cannot take your circle. Okay, the other box, your circle, you cross it. Okay, that means you cannot already take from box 3. That means circles comes from box 3. Okay, now which box got only one? Okay, circle done. Now you look at this the box 1, 2, 4, and 5. Which box has only one shape? Okay, that means box 1. This one got 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes. This one 3 shapes, 2 shapes. So box 1 only got one shape. That means the next we must take from this box out because we have only one shape. That means the box 1 we take out our star. Okay. So once you take out some star, the other stars all you cross it. These stars cannot take anymore. These stars I cannot take anymore. These stars also I cannot take anymore. Okay, now look at the third box, which has only one shape now. Here I got 3 shapes. These 2 boxes already empty. Here I got 2 shapes. Here I got 1 shape. That means I take the third shape from box 5, right? The pentagon. So pentagon will come out from box 5. Once I take out pentagon from box 5, you cross all the pentagons. So no more pentagon to take out. Okay, this is how you have to solve this question. Now, which box got only one shape? Box 4. Only got square. That means in box 4, we can have to take out the square. Okay, so when this one is already done, so you cross the square in box 2, and box 2 we take out our triangle. So this is what the shape we have to take out from each box. Then only we can complete the process. So the question asks, which shape must she pick from box 4? So box 4, what we pick up? A square. So answer is E. Okay, that's all for question number 10.